my friends, welcome back to Cookie with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very refreshing lemonade, melon lemonade, perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. First things first, getting ready our simple syrup. Let me tell you, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water. This is how you make your simple syrup for your lemonades. When you make your simple syrups, you use less sugar than if you just add the regular granulated sugar directly into your lemonades. This is going to take about 5 minutes. When the water is boiling, and the water turns slightly yellow, turn it off, let it sit so that it comes to room temperature. Let me tell you, use your simple syrup so that you use less sugar. Of course, you could use any type of sweetened to sweeten your lemonades. And here, this is a simple way to make your simple syrup and enjoy a refreshing homemade agua fresca, of course, with natural fruit. And here, this is boiling. I'm going to turn it off and I'm going to put it aside. And now I am ready to start preparing our delicious and amazing lemonade. I have my lemons here. I'm going to slice. These lemons are from my garden. These are organic lemons. And let me tell you, they have no seeds. Of course, I'm going to use a little gadget to get all that amazing juice from the lemons. Look at this. This looks amazing. And this little gadget you could find in any supermarket. It makes it easier for you to really take out all the lemon juice from your lemons. Look at this. Well, here I'm going to start getting all that amazing juice out. We are going to need 1 cup to 1.5 cups of lemon juice. And these lemons are really juicy and delicious. Let me tell you, use the fruit that is in season so you could enjoy homemade aguas frescas. Here I'm going to stay getting the juice out of these lemons because I really want to enjoy a lemonade made at home. This takes time, but it's going to be so worth it. It's so hot here in California that instead of having a soft drink, make an amazing agua fresca at home. And you know exactly what you are adding to your aguas frescas. Your lemonades are going to come out perfect. I'm not leaving any juice behind. I have all the juice here, about 1.5 cups. I'm going to put it aside and I'm going to continue with the whole melon. I'm only using half a melon. Look at this. Of course, all the skin of the lemons, all the skin of the melon, do not throw it away. Add it into your soil of your garden, even the seeds. Look at this. Very careful, I'm going to remove the seeds so I don't take any of the pulp out. It's nice and ripe and the color is just amazing. Once you cut it open, you could really smell the aroma of the melon. Of course, I'm going to cut it and then cube it to make it easier to my NutriBullet cup. Of course, in my NutriBullet, I only use it for my lemonades and I only use it for my smoothies. I do not add any spices into the cup of the NutriBullet. And here I'm going to go ahead and add the pinch of salt. This is very important. This is going to bring down the acidity of the lemon. I'm adding all the lemon juice into the blender cup. And now I am ready to cover and I am ready to blend. Look at this. We're going to blend it really good, making sure that everything incorporates. And then we're going to add enough water into our pitcher. It doesn't take too long to make a lemonade at home. So here I'm adding everything from my blender cup. I'm going to add, of course, water. I'm going to add 1 cup of the simple syrup. And now just enough water to fill it all the way to the rim. And now this is done. I can't wait to enjoy. I didn't add any ice because my family comes much later during the day and I don't want to dilute this lemonade. So here I'm just going to taste. It is perfect and now I am ready to prepare my glass with lots and lots of ice. Look at this. You got to this part of the video, you love this lemonade, like, subscribe, and share. And this is the best part, preparing my glass full of ice and then adding the melon lemonade. I'll see you in just a little bit. Tell you, this melon lemonade comes out perfect every time, and it's so refreshing. Let's see how this came out. With lots of ice, I'm sure it's perfect. Excuse me. Oh my God. Amazing. If you liked and love this amazing lemonade of melon, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. Refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.